Hello friends, Namaskar, Sasrikal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I am going to talk about Jupiter transit in Capricorn from 20th November 2020 to 21st of November 2021. My all predictions are based on your ascendant sign. You know very well. So first of all, I let you know about this transit this whole year from 20th November 2020 to 21st of November 2021. Jupiter conjunction with Saturn. These conjunction will create a lot of positive events and a lot of negative events for world. Uh, Capricorn sign is a 10th house of Kalpurush Kundli, first of all, and Jupiter Saturn transit in 10th house. If we analyze as a Kalpurush Kundli, so it is create a Dharma Karma Yoga. You can say Dharam Karam Yog, ninth Lord and 10th Lord conjunction together in transit. It is create a Dharam Karam Adhipati Yog. So, my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign. Let's talk for the Aries ascendants. For Aries ascendants, being a lord of your ninth house and being a lord of your 10th house, Jupiter transit in your 10th house and debilitated sign, but Saturn is in on sign, so it is not a 100% debilitation, but it is not a 100% positive effect of Jupiter. Jupiter will give 50% positive effects. The aspects of the Jupiter is on your second house, your fourth house, and your sixth house. So I explain you as per aspects and the transit of the Jupiter for Aries ascendants. Guys, first of all, your savings will rise. Your business will promote it, and you may start any new business venture. Your business will expand through promotion, mouth to mouth promotion, and you may buy a new vehicle or you may invest your money in property, in real estate, and your all debts will be clear, and you may take new loan from government side. Finances will be excellent, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts during this period, and your health will be fine, your finance will be fine, your family atmosphere will be okay, and your family will support you a lot. This is a time when you get 100% support from your family. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you. And if you are already in any type of a Jupiter related work, like you have a school, you are a teacher, you are a lecturer, or you have any institute, then this time will brings lot of profits and positivity for you. You will get name, fame, prosperity, good fortune started smile for you, and whatever you want you will achieve. Your all desires will be fulfilled, because for Aries ascendants, Jupiter being a lord of your ninth and 12th house transit in your 10th house. If you have a already Jupiter Saturn conjunction in your birth chart, then it is 100% create a dharma karma yoga. This is very fruitful yoga. You may meet a new spiritual guru, and you get a lot of great knowledge from your spiritual guru, and you start something learning some spirituality. So this is a time when you will be top and sky high. Jupiter is in debilitated sign, there is no doubt, but with Saturn, it will give some positive results for Aries ascendants, because ninth Lord is in 10th house. Trikona Bhav Lord is in Kendra Bhav. It's create a very productive transit for you, and this whole transit, this whole year, you will achieve lot of milestone, and your health will be fine, and your savings will be rise, your bank balance will be rise, your family will support you. Overall, this is a time totally growth in your birth chart. If you have a good placement of Jupiter in your birth chart, then this is a rocking period for you. Now I am going to talk about Taurus ascendants. For Taurus ascendants, Jupiter and Saturn will be in your ninth house. Jupiter transit in your ninth house from 20th November 2020 to 21st November 2021. This whole year will bring lot of good fortune for you. Lot of good fortune, because 11th Lord and 8th Lord being a Jupiter is in ninth house with the ninth Lord. So you will become very spiritual. There's a long distance journey. Your health will be fine. Multiple long distance journey. You will enjoy very positive energy. Your health will be fine. You become very creative. And Jupiter aspecting is on your first house, third house, and your fifth house. You start learning something related to spirituality. You may find some new spiritual guru, and your confidence level will be sky high, and you will support to your siblings, you will support to your brothers, you may support to your family, and this is a time when your all desires will be fulfilled, and good fortune started smile for you, because Jupiter is a planet of expansion and growth. It will always give you fantastic results if well placed in your birth chart. For example, if Jupiter is exalted in your birth chart in first house, third house, or fifth house, and they have any relation with transit Jupiter and natal chart Jupiter with aspect, this will be a golden time for you. You will get promoted. You may start new business. Your friends will support you, and your social circle will rise. You will earn lot of money. You will earn lot of name, fame. Bundles of success will know you. This is a time when your all desires will be fulfilled, and you will achieve new milestones in your life. Jupiter is in ninth house. You become very spiritual. You try to visit lot of religious activities. You try to visit lot of religious journeys during this transit. And this is a time when your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. This is a time when your good fortune started smile for you, and your hard work convert in a great success. People will uh, people will appreciate your efforts, and you will become a winner in this transit. If you have a Jupiter Mahadasha, if you have a Jupiter Antardasha, this will be ultimate time for you. Don't think Jupiter is debilitated. Ninth house is a Jupiter own house in Kalpurish Kundli. It will give fantastic results beyond your expectations. Do something big, plan something big, do your wonders, you will get fantastic results. This is my prediction for Taurus Ascendants. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendants. Gemini Ascendants being a lord of your 7th and 10th house, Jupiter transit in your 8th house with Saturn. This transit is not very productive for you, but those native who are willing to settle in foreign land, this transit will help. Jupiter 5th aspect is on your 12th house, 7th aspect is on your 2nd house, and 9th aspect is on your 4th house. You may settle in foreign land, you may get PR, you may get study visa, or you may get tourist visa, whatever you want related to foreign. Your all desires will be fulfilled. Everything will come to you in an easy way. Your good fortune started smile for you related to foreign activities. If you want to settle in abroad, Jupiter will help you. If you want to do something, start business in foreign, then Jupiter will help you. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and related to foreign activities, you will entertain ourselves. Related to foreign activities, you will enjoy a lot. Related to foreign activities, you will be on top. But unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Unexpected and sudden expenditures will irritate you. So you need to be careful. Try to avoid unexpected expenditures. Don't trust on anyone. Don't trust any documents without taking advice from any specialist. This is a time when you may met some cheater type of people, and they will give you some losses related to your finances. But overall, this is a time related to foreign activities is good. You need to be careful about your expenditures. Unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Overall, this transit will brings average result for you. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer Ascendants. For Cancer Ascendants, being a lord of your 6th and 9th house, Jupiter started transit in Capricorn sign in your 7th house with Saturn. So good fortune started smile for you. Your earning will be rise. Your daily earning will be rise. You may enter in a new business partnership. Your source of earning, you will earn multiple source of earning. Your self-respect will improve. If you have any planning related to any function at your home, this time period, your all desires will be fulfilled related to any marriage, related to any of function, and good events happens in your life at your home during this transit. Cancer Ascendants, this is a time when your siblings will support you. This is a time when you are supporting to your sibling, and your friends will support you. This is a time when you may travel in foreign land for a tourist visa, for a spending some quality time with your family. Overall, this is a time when you will be top and sky high. Your earning will be rise, and your debts will be clear. Jupiter 5th aspecting is on your 11th house. Your social circle will wild, and some old friends will enter in your life. This is a time when if you have any dispute with your old friends, then this dispute will be clear and they will be in a polite relationship with you. Now I'm going to talk about Leo ascendants. For Leo ascendants, Jupiter is your ruling planet, and transit in your sixth house. Jupiter is in sixth house, and aspecting is in your 10th house, 12th house, and second house. Your finances will rise, savings will grow, unexpected money knock you, foreign journeys, multiple foreign journeys in this 1 year, this Jupiter transit. Your business will get promoted. If you have any school, if you have any institute, you will rise a lot. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and your all pending work will be click. Your old debts will be click. Your old debts will be clear, and you will take some new loan for expansion your business. Your business will be expand through mouth to mouth publicity. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and you will enjoy all type of benefits related to finance, related to family atmosphere. Your family will support you, your friends will support you. This is a time when all types of enjoyment you will enjoy related to finance, related to your family. And there's a lot of multiple foreign journeys. You may start some business in foreign land. You may be at America or Canada, and you start some venture in India or Australia, because Jupiter aspecting is on your 12th house, which will get in touch with your friends, those native who are far away from your place. So now I'm going to talk about Virgo ascendants. Virgo ascendants being a lot of your fourth house, Jupiter transit in your fifth house. This is a time when you will get a lot of money from stock market. If you are already investing your money in stock market, you will get a lot of profits. If you are a businessman, your fortune started smile for you, and your all pending work will be click, and you will enter in a new business horizon. You will get a lot of business partnerships. And if you are not interested to doing any type of stock market business, then you must start. This is a time when you will get unexpected money. Some unexpected gains will make you happy. Your savings will rise, your finance will rise, and those native who are unemployed may get job, and those native who are in already job, seniors will appreciate your performance, and your all targets will be fulfilled. Jupiter is in Capricorn. Don't think it's a debilitation, because Jupiter transit with Saturn in Capricorn. This is like a half an each Bhangarajyo. And overall, this is a time when good fortune started for you, and you will earn a lot of good finances through unexpected gains, through old investments. Now I'm going to talk about Libra ascendants. Being a lord of your third house, Jupiter transit in your fourth house, and aspecting is on your eighth, your 10th, and your 12th house. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you, but your business will be promoted. You may start a new venture with someone. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and your health will be fine. You will enjoy all type of comforts. Relationship with your mother will be better, and mother blessings will make your way easy. You may get some good advantage from your mother side, or you may invest your money in real estate or vehicle. And this is a very fruitful and very productive transit for you. And this is a time when you read some spiritual books, because Jupiter fifth aspect is on your eighth house. You may start learning astrology, you may start learning occult science. I would suggest you one remedy. You must go for the cremation ground every Thursday and donate some charity in charity box. It will good for your good fortune. Now I am going to talk about Scorpio ascendants being a lot of your second and fifth house. Jupiter transit in your third house. Long distance journeys awaits you. New business ventures will wait you, and your good fortune started smile for you. Your siblings will help you. This is a time when you will be top, and your all desires and your all wishes will be fulfilled if you have a good Mahadasha. If you have a Jupiter Mahadasha in your birth chart, then this period will brings lot of happiness, peace of mind, success. Family atmosphere will be good. There is a function at your family. There is a lot of good events happens in your family. Scorpio ascendants, Jupiter transit in your third house. You may get some profit from communications, through communications. Your good fortune started smile for you, and you may get lot of good finances, and unexpected gains will knock you. And those native who are unmarried, they may get married, because Jupiter fifth aspect is on your seventh house. and there is a long distance journey is also seen in your birth chart. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendants. Sagittarius ascendants being a Lagan Lord Jupiter transit in your third house. Jupiter transit in third house will brings lot of positivity for your finance. You may get promoted and your savings will be rise and your finances will be upgrade. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and your all hurdles, you will face lot of hurdles, but you will overcome your all hurdles and your growth will be on higher side. You will get a lot of new opportunity related to your business, related to your job, and those native who are unemployed may get job. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and your family will support you. Your debts will be clear, and you become very spiritual, and you start reading some spiritual books this transit, because Jupiter aspecting is on your 8th house will brings lot of happiness, will brings lot of knowledge for you, and Jupiter ninth aspect is on your 10th house, and you may start new business with someone. There is strong chances for partnership with your near or dear. Overall, this is a very fruitful transit for Sagittarians for you. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendants. Capricorn ascendants, Jupiter transit in your first house being a lord of your 12th house. One of the very big events happen. The relationship with your spouse, which is affected from last 1 year, now it will be on a positive side, because Jupiter aspecting is on your 7th house, which is very good for you. Your spouse will support you, you will earn lot of money, daily income will be rise, finances will be good, and your health will be fine. And if you are planning for future plan like baby planning, then this is a very productive year for you. Jupiter fifth aspect is on your 5th house. You will become mother or father. This is a time when you make some baby plan, and your daily income will be rise. Your good fortune started smile for you, and your husband or your spouse will support you. This is a time when you will be sky high and top relation to your personal related to your personal relationship. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants. Aquarius ascendants being a lord of your 2nd house and 11th house, Jupiter transit in your 12th house. Long distance partnership is indicate as per your birth chart, as per your transit. If you have a good Jupiter in your birth chart, you will be top, you will be sky high, good fortune started smile for you, long distance journeys are wait you, some unexpected expenditures will irritate you, but you will able to manage your expenditures. And you may invest your money in foreign land, you may invest your money with foreign business, and it will brings you lot of gains. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and your all debts will be clear, and you become very spiritual. You will find some spiritual guru, and this is a time when you will be top, and your all hard work convert in great success. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. For Pisces ascendants being a lord of your first house, Jupiter transit in your 11th house. 11th house is a house of fulfillment of wishes and desires. 11th house is a house of social circle networking. You will get in touch with new friends, or those friends will give you very good advice in your professional life, and you will be top, and you will be get a lot of advantage from your friends. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and your all desires and wishes will be fulfilled. This is a time when you will earn money from multiple source. There is a lot of foreign journeys are also seen, and you start some learning, any type of some learning you will start. And 11th house Jupiter, your contacts with higher authority will make your life easy. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and you will earn bundles of money, name, fame, prosperity, and your father and your family will support you. You may get some inheritance from your family. So guys, you must consult with your nearest astrologer you need to know which type of Jupiter placement in your natal chart. If you have a good connection of Jupiter natal chart and birth chart in your horoscope, and you have a Jupiter Mahadasha or Antardasha, this will be a very rewarding year for you. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.